Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I'm taking a walkthrough of consolidated sales dashboard, which will provide us the insights of sales tracker using various categories. So for here, I have taken three different categories. First is monthly sales category hits. Then the other one is by market sales category hits. And the other one is weekly sales category hits. Then I've also used a comparison, which is sale closed versus sale offer. And then eligible sales offer versus sale count. So this is the dashboard, which is a dynamic, and I've created using the raw data, which is there in the raw sheet. Now here, I've also used slicers. So this is a month slicer and this is a market slicer. So here, this table provides us the category sales for count and overall percentage, and then the eligible sale percentage. And this table shows the overall calls and then the overall calls eligible, again, eligible sales offer. So this is the count of the data, which is in raw data. Now here, if I click on Jan, then this dashboard will automatically gets updated. If I click on January month, and if I choose CCI, then it will provide us the data, the insights for January and the market, which is CCI. We can see here is the monthly sales category hits for sale offer. These are the totaling benefits, then assumption closing, and then the sales closed. Again, by market, we have different categories available here. And this sales close versus sale offer. And again, this one is the offer versus sale count. So this dashboard, is dynamic based on the filters that we are selecting from the slicers, and it will update accordingly. So this one, the dashboard, I basically created for one of my client. So if you require any customizations or if you need any help in preparing a sales tracker dashboard, so you can hire me or contact me through Upwork or Freelancer. So this is my profile over Freelancer. So you can just hire me using this button by clicking on this button, or I will be sharing my contact details. So you can connect with me if you require any assistance in dashboard creation or Excel automation or anything which you require help in Excel automation part. So I will be more helpful for you. And this is my profile, if you can see. So you just need to click on this button, or you can just, or we can connect over Upwork as well. So this is my Upwork profile. So you can just hire me over Upwork through consultation. I have a consultation here. So this is my consultation. You can just went through my profile and have a consultation. So thank you and have a good day. We will talk soon for Upwork. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.